What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I just want to talk about how the subconscious mind plays a big part on how you lose weight. I just want to take a look at my screen here. So if I'm going back and forth, this is what I'm doing. The conscious is the cause of all will, the substance of the entire world. The knowledge of the law of consciousness as the method of operating this law will enable you to share the fact. The consciousness is the one and only reality. It's like a divided road. You have the conscious and you have the subconscious. Now, let's understand the relationship of these two minds. The conscious is the thinking mind, and the subconscious is the feeling. The thinking mind is the effect, and the feeling mind is the cause. You have to know that your conscious part of you generates ideas on how to lose weight. And the subconscious part of you is the part that takes the action. Buy the gym clothes, get the gym membership, eat healthier foods. It depends on the ideals you give yourself about losing weight. So if you're telling yourself that, I'm fat, I'm tired, it's hard, I have no energy, guess what? Those thoughts that you're impressing into yourself, those thoughts, it's going to show in your outward experience. You're tired, you're lazy, you have no energy to go to the gym. And all you doing is complaining that, I wish I was fit, I wish I was smaller. No guys like me because I'm fat. You start having these ideas play with you because those are the ideas you're entertaining. So you're telling yourself, I need a soda. I need that cookie. I need those snacks. Start telling yourself the truth. That you're healthy, that you're strong, that you can cook, you can eat right, that you don't need soda, you need water. I need water. The more you start saying that I need water, I want water, I love water, it fuels me, guess what? You're going to start consuming more water. That's what I had to do. I had to change what I was telling myself. I was telling myself that I was overweight, tired, frustrated. Losing weight was hard, it's difficult. And guess what? It became difficult because the words I was speaking. So you got to tell yourself the truth. I'm healthy. Now I will be healthy. I am is stronger than saying I will be. When you say I will be healthy, I will be small, I will be fine, that's telling yourself that you're not. So you have to be impressed the ideas and connect to the person who you want to be as already that person. Before you can have, be, and do, you first must be. Once you be, you start doing, you start having. You and I have control over our health. I am a stronger feeling that I will be. So today, make a decision. That's all you have to do is make a decision. It's easy to get the diet plan. It's easy to get the workout plan. But the hardest part we have as individuals is doing the work. Because it's difficult. Let's face it, it's hard. It's time consuming. It's chaotic. But guess what? Once you put a plan in place and start doing what's required and loving yourself, loving the new you, being in shape, all that hard work, all the difficulties, it's a piece of cake. I'd rather nothing feels good as being thin. No food is better than that, than feeling good and having energy. Everything is up to you and I to face the facts about life, face the facts about what we truly want, compared to a moment, a weakness, a moment of eating that pizza, a moment of that's gonna fade away. After you eat the pizza, that feeling you had in your gut and your stomach that you wanted that pizza, once you eat the pizza, it's gone. But once you get health, you're gonna feel that for the rest of your life. So if you're interested in learning more about the keto diet I've been doing, it's a link at the bottom. And also, there's a link to smoothies you know, easy smoothies you can prepare. So you can add more fruits and vegetables to your diet. So it's not about changing things automatically. It's slowly changing the things you're doing. Because you make the fast shift. Some people can make it. Once you make it fast, some people can make that shift fast. But some people like me, I had to take my time. The links are at the bottom to the smoothie and also to the keto recipes that you can add. So once you start adding, then you can take away the bad stuff. But first, let's focus on getting in good. So later, take out the bad. So the next time,